As we approach the finish line in the construction of UCD's world-class athletics track, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the donors whose vision and commitment have made this wonderful milestone possible. Their generosity to UCD is phenomenal, and their dedication and support give our students the confidence and inspiration to succeed.
Delighted to have this new state-of-the-art track here in UCD. It'll give us the opportunity to centralise and focus athletic activity here on campus.
It's going to mean a lot to all the students in the athletics club. It's really hard to replicate the type of training you can do on a track anywhere else. Since I started in UCD, there hasn't been a track on campus. I have to travel.
It's kind of like symbolic, I guess, having like a centre for our sport here on campus. I think it's going to attract loads of attention. New members, and even if people don't want to join the club, just getting involved, getting active on the track.
Hennigan Peng won the competition. They're exceptional architects in our mind. They took the vision of the university and the overall master plan of the university into play.
Historically, this is a complex site. The objective was to come up with a solution for the project that minimised the amount of material that would be taken off the site or indeed imported onto the site. That has a huge benefit from a carbon perspective. If you can imagine the topsoil had been taken off, it's been stored, it will be reused, and then the underlying material has been reformatted such that it's structurally suitable for the intended end use, which is an international standard running track.
We had to get permission from statutory bodies to divert our gas main, divert our electrical supply, and then reroute the storm drain. We need floodlighting on the track. We know scientifically that bats change the flight path because of high glare and lighting. We've been asked by the planners to install bat houses in undercrofts of buildings and other trees on the location to give bats homes to fly into.
We have constructed the foundation level at this stage, and now the finish layers go on it, which is the stone, and then ultimately the track finish, the drainage.
Unfortunately, our construction phases have actually ceased on 3 separate occasions due to COVID, but we're very fortunate that we're now back on site since the 4th of May, and we're optimistic to have the track completed now for an opening in September, and we all look forward to coinciding with the Tokyo Olympics and the reopening of term in September here on campus.
Just as a community, we're also grateful for this donation. It's really going to change things for the club, for everyone really.
I think it's really amazing to see a donor who's committed to putting in an athletics facility like this one. We'll be using it for many years to come.
It's particularly significant that we're opening the track this year as the club is officially celebrating the 100th anniversary of the formal establishment of the club. UCD sports facilities are currently used by the wider UCD community of staff and graduates, and indeed the local community. So whether it's couch to 5K, active retirement groups, school PE classes, there will be the opportunity for the community to engage and use the facilities here on campus.
The new state-of-the-art running track is a superb amenity at the heart of UCD's Sport and Recreation Precinct. It significantly advances our aim to develop a healthy campus that supports physical and mental well-being as well as academic achievement. Having this fantastic facility right on their doorstep will be a game changer for our elite athletes, and indeed it will benefit our entire UCD community. In fact, its impact will extend far beyond our campus as we pursue our mission to build a healthy world.